Hello friends, today we discuss about general characters of fungi. Table of contents are as definition, structure and characteristics. Now definition. What is fungi? Fungi are eukaryotic organisms that include microorganisms such as yeasts, molds and mushrooms. These organisms are classified under kingdom fungi. The organisms found in kingdom fungi contain a cell wall and are omnipresent. They are classified as heterotrophs among the living organisms. The appearance of black spots on bread left outside for some days. The mushrooms and the yeast cells, which are commonly used for the production of beer and bread, are also fungi. They are also found in most of the skin infections and other fungal diseases. If we observe carefully, all the examples that we cited involve moist conditions. Thus, we can say that fungi usually grow in places which are moist and warm enough to support them. Structure of kingdom fungi. The structure of fungi can be explained in the following points. Almost all the fungi have a filamentous structure except the yeast cells. They can be either single-celled or multicellular organisms. Fungi consist of long thread-like structures known as hyphae. These hyphae together form a mesh-like structure called mycelium. Fungi possesses a cell wall which is made of chitin and polysaccharides. The cell wall comprises protoplasts which is differentiated into other cell parts such as cell membrane, cytoplasm, cell organelles and nuclei. The nuclei is dense, clear with chromatin threads. The nucleus is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Now, characteristics of fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms, means they have true nuclei which are enclosed in membranes. They are non-vascular organisms. They do not have vascular system. Xylem and phloem are absent. Fungi have cell walls, consist of chitin. There is no embryonic stage for fungi. Fungi reproduce by means of spores. There are sexual and asexual spores. Sexual spores are oospores, zygospores, ascospores, basidiospores, etc. And asexual spores are sporangiospores, aplanospores, zoospores, conidia, etc. Depending on the species and conditions, both sexual and asexual spores may be produced. They are typically non-motile. Fungi exhibit the phenomenon of alteration of generation. They have both haploid and diploid stage. Fungi are achlorophyllous, which means they lack the chlorophyll pigments present in the chloroplasts in plant cells and which are necessary for food formation process or photosynthesis. The vegetative body of the fungi may be unicellular or composed of microscopic threads called hyphae. Hyphae can grow and form a network called a mycelium. Yeasts are unicellular fungi that do not produce hyphae. The structure of cell wall is similar to plants, but chemically the fungi cell wall are composed of chitin, and formula of chitin is C8H13O5N. The cell membrane of a fungus have a unique sterol and ergosterol. Fungi are heterotrophic organisms. They obtains its food and energy from organic substances, plant and animal matters. Fungi grow best in acidic environment. Fungi digest the food first and then ingest the food. To accomplish this, the fungi produce exoenzymes like hydrolases, lysases, oxidoreductase, transferases, etc. Fungi store their food as starch. Biosynthesis of chitin occurs in fungi. Many of the fungi have a small nuclei with repetitive DNA. During mitosis, the nuclear envelope is not dissolved. Nutrition in fungi. They are saprophytes, means they get energy from dead and decaying materials. Or parasites, means lives in a host or attack and kill them. Or as symbionts, means mutually beneficial. Optimum temperature of growth for most saprophytic fungi is 20 to 30 degree centigrade temperature, while 30 to 37 degree temperature for parasitic fungi. Growth rate of fungi is slower than that of bacteria. Reproduction in fungi is both bisexual and asexual means. Sexual state is referred to as teleomorph. Asexual state is referred to as anamorph. Reproduction occurs by both asexual and sexual mode. Asexual mode means fragmentation, somatic budding, fission, asexual spore formation, and sexual methods are gametic copulation, gamete-gamete-angium ovulation, gamete-angium copulation, somatic copulation, and spermatization. Pheromone is a chemical substance produced by fungi which leads to the sexual reproduction between male and female fungi cells. Some fungi are macroscopic and can be seen by naked eyes. Mold or mushrooms are examples of macroscopic form of fungi. In 1991, a landmark paper estimated that there are 1.5 million fungi on the earth. Only about 300 species of fungi are infectious to human. Examples of fungi are as Candida albicans, Aspergillus, Blastomyces, Coccidioides, Cryptococcus, Neoformans, Histoplasma, Pneumocystis, etc. Thanks.